Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S80 and let me share with you how to enable the demo mode on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. Now let's enter developer options, and if you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, we've got the tutorial of how to enable them, so let's check it and then let's go back to this video. So if we are on the developer options, just scroll down to find the system UI demo mode option. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here you've got two different settings, so you can enable the demo mode without actually showing it just by tapping on the switcher, and as you can see nothing changed, but you can also show the demo mode. So let's tap on the second switcher, and as you can see right now we've got some changes on the status bar, and all the icons are in the full state. What's more, here we've got the, let's say, the default time. Of course you can hide the demo mode just by tapping on the switcher, or completely turn it off just by tapping on this one. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the demo mode in your DOOGEE S80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.